Let's take a look at the Business Source Premier article database. Business Source Premier is a high-quality academic article database with different types of publications, such as scholarly journal articles, trade journal articles, popular magazines, and some newspapers. Before I get started on this database, please note that the name of the database is shown here. Contrast this with the name EBSCOhost, which is the vendor that provides access to this and several other databases. So when referring to this database, please refer to it as the actual name, Business Source Premier. The homepage of Business Source Premier starts with the basic search screen. However, I highly recommend that you do your searching by using the advanced search page. On the advanced search page, the main area to give your attention to are the search boxes. For now, don't pay any attention to the area below this. Start your search by first identifying your research question to get some keywords. The question I'm going to ask is, how are everyday items we purchase, such as food, affected by the price of gasoline? The keywords we want out of this search question are gasoline, food, purchase, and price. You might try some of the other keywords from the research question, but they won't have as much of an effect. To show the power of the keywords, I'm going to begin by searching with one of the keywords, gasoline. As you can see, there are a large number of articles that appear from this search, so let's now add the second keyword, food. You can see that the number of articles is much less, but it's still worth narrowing your search. This time I'll add the keyword price. This further reduces the number of articles. I'm going to put one more keyword into the search. You can click here to add a new row. Then I'll add the keyword purchase. Now you can see how much more narrow your search results are. Before looking at an article, there are a couple of other ways to narrow your search. On the left side of the screen, you can choose to only show articles that are in full text. However, I'll show you in a little bit that this isn't really necessary and not really recommended. Another way is to narrow your results by source type, including trade publications, magazines, academic journals, which are scholarly journals, and newspapers. Now on to looking at some of the articles. Before jumping into the full text, begin by clicking on one of the links to the article. When clicking on the link, the information you get includes the title of the article, the authors, which in this case there are 4 of them, the name of the publication it came from, also referred to as the source, the date the article was published, the volume and issue number, and the range of page numbers. You can ignore this information as it isn't relevant. Other information also includes the subject terms and author-supplied keywords, which can be useful in searching for additional information on your topic. Then lastly, an abstract is included, which basically tells you what the article is about. On the right side, there are a few helpful tools. Add to folder allows you to save this article information to a folder. Cite will show you how to cite this article in various formats. And permalink will show you the permanent URL for this article. This is different from the link you get at the top of your browser and is something you need to identify when you turn in your assignment for your articles. Now it comes to getting the full text of the article. In this example, the article is right here as a PDF document, which you can read as well as download, save, and print. If you go back to the search results, you can also click on the PDF for the article here. Sometimes the article may be available as an HTML document. In this case, you get the text of the article, but not any images or graph that may come with the article. Then there may be other cases where the article isn't available in full text in this database. However, if you click on Find Full Text for the article, if available, it will take you to that article. There will be some times when the article isn't available in full text. For the assignment related to this article database, you must have an article in full text which can be ordered through Interlibrary Loan. This video covers the minimum amount you need to use Business Source Premier for your assignment.